I'm Jim Kleefeld, and I'm getting ready for Halloween magic shows, and so is Eldora. This is Eldora, and she has to get all of her Halloween stuff ready. She's going to need a trick-or-treat bag to go out, and she's going to need a costume. Let's see if she's got her. Yes, she's got her trick-or-treat bag all set from last year. Maybe there's a costume inside. Nope, it's empty. Her trick-or-treat bag is empty. There's no masks, no costumes. Maybe she can do a little bit of magic. If there's some magic left in this trick-or-treat bag, maybe Eldora can find herself a costume. I'll put her inside the trick-or-treat bag, snap my fingers, and just like that, she's got a costume. Look, there she is. Oh, uh-oh. That looks a little mixed up. She's got a skeleton outfit with a Frankenstein mask. That's not very good. Maybe we better try that magic again. Let me just drop her inside like that, and I'll say the magic words, Happy Halloween. That ought to fix her costume just like this. There she is with a... oh no, it's mixed up again. She's got a clown costume on, but a witch mask. That witch mask doesn't go with that clown costume. I think we're going to have to get a little more magic. Maybe the boys and girls can all say Happy Halloween. If all the boys and girls say Happy Halloween, then that should make Eldora's costume. And there she is, all... what? Oh no, that's the worst mixed up costume ever. She's wearing a mummy outfit covered with a tutu, and she's holding a guitar. She's got a crown on her head and a bandana and an eye patch. Oh no, I think she's a ballerina mummy pirate queen musician. That's the craziest, most mixed up costume ever. I think we all have to help a little to fix this. I'll put her back there where the magic is, right there in the bag. I'll have all the boys and girls say, Happy Halloween, Eldora. And if that works, then... yes, look, right here inside, I think Eldora has changed. And it looks like she's changed into a beautiful costume with a princess ball gown. She's got a tiara on her head, roses in her hand, and she's ready for the Halloween party of the year.